Hey guys, so Merry Christmas everyone. So you know what that means. 2 years in a row, 2017, 2018, 2019. We're doing a small one this year. Christmas Eve vacuum test. So on the Eureka Airspeed of 2011, we have Ralphie in the bunny costume from Christmas Story. And now we have the Grinch and a 2016 Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro, which is as seen on TV. So, we're going to start with the Eureka! By the way, I don't own these two vacuums and I'm at my grandparents' house. This is my aunt's vacuum. So, I thanked her for bringing it. Alright, so here we go. Alright, now for the Shark Rocket. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Okay, I'm not happy with that. So
Nope.
I guess the Eureka will take over.
Nope.
And guys, the hose is busted on this one, so please, if you have a Eureka Airspeed just like this and it has a broken hose, leave a comment. So please have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look at my shirt.
Bruh,
It says,
look at
"Merry
this
Christmas,
dude."
you filthy animal. And there's a dehumidifier running in the background, so because I fixed that earlier today. It's a Hisense. And I have a steam vaporizer next to it to make it humid. Ugh, Spider frog. Alright, kids, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town tonight at 3 a.m., the devil's hour. So please, have all your electronic devices turned off at 3 a.m. And see you on the next Hackworth Vacuums Daily Dust, and have a Happy New Year. And I hope you kids get good toys for presents. Yeah, I hope so too. Who was that? Was that Dame? It better not be, because Fly Mini Shark. Well, guess what? Fly Mini Shark. Fly! Oh, that's why it's making that noise. It's because I have a dirty filter. So, anyway guys, see you on the next Hackworth Vacuums Daily Dust. And I think that both of them did a good job. The Shark and the Eureka. And I finally went on my date with Aubrey. So, we kissed you. And now we are doing this extremely well right now. Might have been done. So, anyway, we'll see you tomorrow on Attack of the Little